Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't let me.
So what's up? It's Jen and Kim.
Hey.
Happy Valentine's Day when you're watching this. What are you doing watching this? You should be out on dates, having social lives. Nah, it's 2019. We're going out.
Yeah.
So we've employed the two idiots. By employed, we've told them we'd buy them V-Bucks, whatever they are. Yeah, we've told them we're buying them V-Buck points for some stupid game that they want or whatever. I don't know.
No, we don't know. Some of the stuff they come out with.
Wash. But yes, so unfortunately the two idiots are going to be doing this because we thought it would be quite funny because they have dates tonight. Dates tonight. We thought they could film
on our behalf
of what they do, I suppose, how to get ready with J and K. I don't know. Yeah, we're going. Bye. Good tidings. Fortnite! V-Bucks! Come on! Just V-Bucks and we'll do it! Sup? Fresh trim. Oh, Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
It's coming up.
Got a bird?
Shag it. Got some birds coming around later.
Yeah.
Hit them up on the old WhatsApp.
So we're gonna make... Those girls think we're gonna make Valentine's Day cookies.
Yeah, they think we're gonna cook them like gourmet chef meals. We're probably just ordering from like Nando's or something.
Or we kebab.
Yeah, we could get kebab.
Yeah, we get kebab closer.
Yeah. Kebab and Fortnite.
Yeah.
It's a new Netflix and chill. That's what we're not gonna do.
Yeah.
We're not gonna do that.
No.
Instead, we found a recipe.
We're gonna make slime.
Slime!
For kids.
For kids. Yeah. What we are gonna need, 2¼ cups of corn flour.
Cauliflower.
Half a cup of shampoo. Now, you see, we didn't know whether we could use...
Shampoo.
Yeah, thanks. We didn't know if we could use normal shampoo. So, we got raspberry one, just in case.
Just in case we have nice smelling slime.
You need 6 tablespoons of water. Food colouring. Who are you, my hype man?
Yeah.
Sweet. Food colouring. Of obviously of our choosing. A bowl or plastic container for mixing. Bowl and spoon for mixing.
Spoon.
If you could see the position my fam is in right now, he'd be doing lunges for life. You know them bags for life? They ain't got nothing on this.
Approximately.
Half a cup. Decent. Mix in the corn flour.
Oh, don't we need food colouring?
Oh yeah. What one are we going to use?
Well, we're already pink,
We're
so
already pink.
let's go green, yeah?
Oh,
Mixing.
that looks like bowl. Oh, look at that, brother!
Imagine what's your hair with that. Look at that.
We made slime! Now we add the 2¼ cups of corn flour. Mix that in and see what happens.
Oh.
That just looks rank.
Doesn't look like slime, does it? Shall I touch it?
No.
Don't touch it.
Brother! What are you doing, fam? Brother! You hit me like the car!
You hit me, and I just hit the car!
Sister's a loser.
Yeah, she is.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Are you seeing what's happening here? The cornstarch is flying in there by itself.
All by itself.
You hit me like the car.
You hit me, and I just hit the car!
Just watch it. Oh, we're forming!
The monsters! It's coming!
It's alive! Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Oh, I think we made Fluke. That ain't slime, fam.
Touch it.
Oh my god, now it's stuck. Oh my god, now it feels like my finger's got a plaster on it.
Wait, ready?
Yeah.
It's not all mixed in because that's because I can't physically mix it in.
So I'll do it with our hands here. Like legit. That is it meant to do that?
I don't know, brother. I can't even pick it up.
My hand is Oh my god, this is bad.
This is bad, brother. Look at the girl's table. Look at Jen's table.
Fam. Fortnite made us do it.
Fortnite's made us do it.
Bearing in mind, we just want to say to you girls in advance,
We've made cement.
this was your fault. Because you wanted us to film. I mean, even though the table can't see, or the camera can't see what we're doing, but this is what we've made. We've made, hello?
Hello.
Oh, that's that big bird, that's
Oh,
that big bird.
big bird.
She ain't coming.
Oh no.
It's a good thing we got cement though.
Yeah, we got some cement though.
I made like a good meal and everything. Called my dick. Got it! Now what? At least we're getting V-Bucks though.
Yeah, we should have just bought the kits, brother.
Yeah, we should have just bought the kits. Maybe we get the girls to try it.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to see that? I mean, I don't know what they do here on the channel. I don't even think they know what they do.
That's amazing what shampoo can do, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe we should use shaving foam.
Maybe, but
Just show the camera that real quick. 7 years later.
oh dear. Yeah, make the car.
Uh-oh.
How are we meant to clean this up, brother? These girls are not going to be happy.
Nah. They're not gonna like this.
They're not going to like this.
Maybe we just don't clean it up till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because obviously they're not coming back.
They're
are
not
they?
coming back, yeah. So we can go and play Fortnite!
With our V-Bucks.
Yeah, because I just bought our V-Bucks.
So we go and play Fortnite all night. We get up at like 12
Yeah.
and then
And then we're clean.
we can.
Yeah.
We're gonna go.
That's bad. Right, let's go.
Fortnite! Yeah, because I'm gonna be able to hold a controller.
The next day.
Oh yeah, last night was fun, wasn't it?
Great fun.
Yeah, morning boys.
Morning.
Morning. Midnight. Oh my god! Lads.
Boys, what the hell happened here?
Lads. It doesn't move.
What did they do? My table, man!
Oh my god, is that the table shavings in it?
Oh my god.
It smells nice.
Oh yeah, they use this.
Ah. Oh, he left his phone here.
Oh.
Oh, it's from that girl.
Oh.
They didn't even turn up. Oh, that yeah. Do you know what? I'll clean up now.
Yeah, it just
Yeah.
makes it all worthwhile. Bloody mess, doesn't it?
We're gonna
gonna clean up now.
Yeah, we're gonna clean up. Please do not make the boys want to do anything else because
No.
they clearly are incompetent at
They
doing
are
everything.
really useless.
I mean, look, it doesn't even.
It doesn't even do anything. What are they doing?
Oh my god! If you like this video,
Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up.
comment down below.
Don't forget, we post new content every Thursday. So this Thursday just so happens to be Valentine's Day. So happy
Yeah,
Valentine's
happy
Day to all your
Valentine's Day.
couples. If you're spending it with your dog, I don't
Yeah,
care.
if you're spending
I've
it
got
with your
one
dog, you're still a couple. That's called bestiality. Don't look that up if you don't know what that means. Bye, have a great time, good tidings and tings! Lord, have mercy, because we're gonna need it.